Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a mechanic shop MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which I'm going to install into our FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here. Then click over here. You will redirect to the Tebak store. You just need to click over here and get the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see this is the MLO which we just installed into our FiveM server. So in the map, this is the location of our mechanic shop as you can see over here. So let's get inside the MLO. So as you can see over here, I think this is the waiting room of our mechanic shop, and over here I think this is the storage room. Okay, this is also a storage room, and this is our mechanic workshop as you can see over here. I think this is the reception of our mechanic shop. So okay, over here you can see some spare parts behind the mechanic shop. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.